Hello friends, today I will you about my toys. Hello, it is a tractor. This tractor. This is toys for Easter cakes. They are called Easter food. Easter food with blue. Octopus. Orange octopus. Orange octopus. Conch. Light yellow. Green light conch. See a horse. Light. It is yellow. This is a shell. This is a shell light in blue. Gasoline tank. Light in blue. This is a airplane. Light blue. Yellow. Blue. Dark haired too. Blending do. Hi. Bye. This is grind truck. This is grind truck. The light yellow, light red. This is mixer. Orange, blue, yellow, green, yellow, light yellow. This is truck. Truck, light white, light red, green. This is blue truck. This is truck, yellow truck. This is carback truck. Light yellow. Big. This is the big truck. Red, light red. This is a pond. White, light white, light green. This is car.